Hey guys, I'm actually pretty excited to shoot this video today, and I'll show you why. So my all-stock 2016 CRF 250 is finally going to get a makeover today. And it's going to look really cool too. So this is what I got for today. I just went and bought this a few hours ago. It's a single-sided FMF Titanium carbon fiber tip exhaust. It's kind of a funny story on how I got this thing. Came with the number plate, all kinds of stickers, like a bunch of stickers. The plug, spark arrestor. So the guy I got this from actually used to race Supercross. He raced privateer, but he was still sponsored by FMF, and he had a few exhausts left over, and I saw it on Facebook. He lived about 2.5 hours away from me. Started talked for a couple weeks, and I couldn't get out there because he was 2.5 hours away from me. So we talked for a little bit. I finally made the decision. I'm gonna go buy this thing today. It was $300 less than the normal price on like Motorsport, and it's brand new. It came with all the stuff that you needed to put it together. I'm super excited. Got a great deal on it. And I talked with the dude who raced Supercross, and like it was really cool hearing the stories. But yeah, let's get to working on this bike. So I'm gonna start it up so I can do a quick before and after on it. I'm not gonna let it warm up that much because I don't want to work on a hot pipe. I'm going to start off by taking these 3 bolts out. And I'm not going to just take the number plate off because all this will come off at once. Just easier that way. I will take these plastics off, all in one piece. And to those of you who are new to the channel, I also do bike builds, and this is one of them that I'm actually finishing up right now. And there's the next project, 1996 CR 252 stroke, and the other side. Now we shouldn't have to worry about the rear fender. Next we'll move on to the 2 screws down here. Now that we have that out of the way, we'll move on to this band bolt mid pipe right here. Loosen the bolt on each side here. So last bolt. Right there, that's holding the 2 slip-ons on. Well, half the work's done now. Now we have to take the 2 head bolts off. I'll probably use a wrench first to get it loose. Gonna try to do this without busting my hands. See if I'm gonna do them now. Now that the boring stuff is done, let's move on to the fun stuff. Put it on exactly how it came off. Man, this pipe is so cool. Just can't get over it. Slide it in here. Slide it over the head pipe. So I got it all finished up, and it looks awesome. I ended up just using my red plates. I didn't want to use that UFO white number plate because I think the bike looks sick all red. Instead, I'll probably end up taking the heat tape off and the rubber grommets off so it looks somewhat normal. But I'm excited to see how this thing sounds. I haven't even started it up yet. Let's do it. So I wouldn't say it sounds a whole lot different. Maybe a little throatier. I'm just doing it for more of the horsepower on the top end.
Rip it, ride it, swerve, rip it, ride it, swerve. When I'm railing in these ruts, yeah, life is just a blur. People tell me that it's so sick, I don't want the cure.